Welcome to Ebony Monique. Hey everyone. As the winter season approaches, it's crucial to give our skin some extra love and attention. In today's video, I'll be sharing some essential tips on how to keep your lips and skin protected during the colder months. So let's dive right in. Gentle cleansing. Start your skincare routine with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities without stripping away natural oils. Hydration is key. Use a hydrating moisturizer to combat the dryness that winter air can bring. Look for products with ingredients like hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture. Don't forget sunscreen. Even in winter, UV rays can be harsh. Apply a broad spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin from any sun damage. Weekly exfoliation. Incorporate a mild exfoliator into your routine once a week to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Tips for protecting your lips: lip balm with SPF. Invest in a good quality lip balm with SPF to protect your lips from the sun and wind. Apply it throughout the day, especially before heading outdoors. Exfoliate your lips. Gently exfoliate your lips using a lip scrub to get rid of any flakiness. You can make a DIY scrub using sugar and honey. Hydrating lip masks. Treat your lips to a hydrating lip mask or a thick layer of your favorite lip balm before bedtime. This helps lock in moisture while you sleep. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for overall skin health, including your lips. Hydrated skin starts from within. Winter lifestyle habits. Humidifier in your space. Using a humidifier in your room can help combat the dry indoor air, keeping your skin and lips moisturized. Avoid hot showers. Hot water can strip away natural oils from your skin. Opt for warm showers instead and keep them short to retain moisture. Layer up. Protect your skin by dressing in layers, and don't forget your gloves and a scarf to shield your face from the cold wind. There you have it, friends, just some of my practical tips for keeping my lips and skin healthy and protected during the winter months. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so make these tips a part of your daily routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay cozy and take care of your beautiful skin. Thanks for watching.